Today I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your data with colleagues who prefer working in Excel or when you want to create backups of your work in a different format. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your workspace. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where all your projects and files are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific file you want to export, browse through your existing files, and once you've found the one you need, go ahead and click on it to open it. This will load the sheet and display all your data in the main workspace. Now that your file is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, but what you're looking for is the File option. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform on your sheet. This menu contains all the essential file management tools you'll need. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Export. This option is specifically designed to help you save your Smartsheet data in different formats. When you click on Export, another menu will expand showing you the available export formats. In this expanded menu, you'll see several export options, but for our purpose today, select Export to Microsoft Excel. As soon as you click this option, Smartsheet will automatically begin preparing your file for download. The system will convert your sheet into an Excel-compatible format, preserving your data, formulas, and formatting as much as possible. The download should start immediately, and depending on the size of your sheet and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. You'll typically see a download notification in your browser, and the file will be saved to your default Downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Smartsheet to Excel format. The Excel file is now ready to be opened, shared, or archived as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.